fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper. Sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer. Night breezes seem to whisper.
Suggestion that Saturday night, sensational double thrill stock car spectacular at 7:30 at Norwood.
Hey guys, good evening. Happy Sunday. I believe it's the 23rd. And namaste. As you can see, there's Lexi Poo. Hello, Poo. She has just been so patient today. As you can see, there's a kayak inside of Paolo. And I purposefully am filming this just to put context of what has happened. So basically, it seems like the weather, which is it won't stop raining. My dilemma with either Franny, the motorhome, or the boat is, or well, touch wood, Paolo hasn't given me any problems. There seems to be ongoing dilemma monthly, which basically equates to hundreds of dollars. And we're not talking about $100 or $200. We're talking about over $500 worth of expenses. So what happened is we had really, really high winds, over 50 miles per hour, Thursday and Friday. And I didn't think anything of it, but I was a bit worried because Franny's in the middle of the river, and so she's not protected by any buildings, any trees, etc. Unlike when we were in Brighton. And so I picked up the message Saturday, which was left on Friday, and they said we have sad news. There's no shit. And basically, the mooring lines, which is the rope that were tied to the anchor, which is drilled down to the seabed or riverbed, the ropes basically chafed to the point where they broke loose, and so Franny basically floated away and she ran aground. Fortunately, so that's the thing. And so what has happened is they spent 2 days to bring her back, and they actually brought her to the marina for observation, so to speak. And I went there today just to assess any damage. What's going to happen now is they will have used 8 hours, man hours, to recover her, etc. And since she's berthed at the marina, I'm paying about $40 per night to keep her there on top of the mooring fee that I'm paying. And also I have to buy 2 special ropes now, which I wish I could have taken a photo. They're massive, and basically the loop that clamps onto the buoy that's floating in the river, it's steel reinforced. So basically, no matter how much movement the boat makes and the rope's not going to break, basically. And so that's going to cost $150 for a pair of those ropes on top of the 500 in labor, etc. So anyway, so yeah, I'm a bit stressed, but you know, as they say here in UK, it is what it is. There's nothing I can do. Now time for the reframe. The reframe is I'm healthy. The reframe is yeah, I'm feeling fine. The reframe is that the swan, because she is really wide, she has wide hips, she did not capsize, and also because she's really sturdy, she did not take in any water. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do now is the sad thing is the 50-inch TV, basically the table fell on top of the TV, even though the TV was on the floor, and the TV fell on the vacuum cleaner, and so basically the screen's cracked. So